Imagine this. You're scrolling online, and suddenly the Echo Show 11 pops up. Amazon's newest smart display with a bigger screen, better speakers, and upgraded AI features. The ads make it look like the smart home hub everyone's been waiting for. A cleaner design, sharper display, and more responsive Alexa. Sounds perfect, right? But here's the catch. Early user feedback is mixed. Some people say the larger, brighter screen finally makes recipes, video calls, and streaming actually enjoyable. Others point out that Alexa still has moments where it struggles with context or multi-step requests, even with the updated AI. And while the new speakers sound fuller, they're not exactly home theater quality. The hardware, though, is solid. Faster processor, better cameras for video calls, improved microphones, and a UI that feels smoother than older Echo Show models. It definitely feels like an upgrade, but mostly if you're already in the Amazon ecosystem. So overall, the Echo Show 11 isn't a scam or overhyped gadget. It's a legit improvement, and one of the best smart displays you can buy in 2025. Just don't expect it to solve every Alexa limitation. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.